Hello, and welcome to this week's episode of Industry Insider. I'm your host, Allison Rogers. As automakers restart assembly lines across the country with extensive safety protocols and screenings in place, some auto repair facilities are struggling with part supplies. According to the results of a recent collision repair survey, 62.5% of collision repair facilities have experienced parts delays amid the pandemic. Most businesses began experiencing delays in early April, with 25% encountering parts problems approximately 3 weeks after pandemic shutdowns started to spread across the country. A further 18% felt the pandemic parts pinch immediately, with delays striking in early March. Canadian automakers began reopening assembly plants in early May, with Honda leading the way on May 11th, and Toyota, Fiat Chrysler, and Ford following closely behind. While there have been few reported parts shortages on the assembly lines, delays in the United States have led to start-stops for many automakers. Ford, General Motors, and Fiat Chrysler shut down many of their assembly lines in mid-March, and they remained closed until May. Though even when things did grind to a start, many plants halted production after employees tested positive for coronavirus. Meanwhile, Mexico did not relaunch its parts production until June 1st. Parts shortages may not bring all doom and gloom, however. During an Automotive Recyclers Experience podcast in April, host Chris Staglies of Partnered Solutions and Chad Councilman, General Manager of Business Development for Australia's All Auto Recalls, were joined by Jason Mosley, CEO of the International Body Shop Industry Symposium, Jason Stahl of Body Shop Business, and Michelle Malik of Body Shop News International. The industry leaders discussed how COVID-19 could give recyclers and repairers more reason to work together amid these parts shortages, opening the door for improved relations between the two sectors. Mosley stressed that there's never been a better time to have this discussion. We just need to find a win-win for both. Thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of Industry Insider. Make sure you're subscribed on YouTube, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, SoundCloud, and Google Play Music for new episodes.